charge. Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves, his groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, and it's a blast. Trade with Tony, and making fortune fast. charge, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teach you the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves is groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, it's a blast. Trade with Tony and making fortune fast.
Good morning, traders. Happy Monday and welcome to a merry new week. Already over goal, having traded 250. So, hey Jasmine. Well, it's another big week, another big earnings week as well. And have a good start. Oh, a nice start on XBP. Did call it out in the on the old Discord if you were in there this morning. This is there's no net new catalyst on XBP. It's a continuation from last week. Start as we mean to go on. We'll leave that. The top capper today. I missed the last spot, but a good shot. Roll call. Morning, Lisa. First one as usual. Vicky, good morning to you. Hey, Mike. Have you back? Phone call. Good morning. Greetings to CC. How you doing, Alberto? Hope you had a good weekend, buddy. John, nice to see you here. What about a grinder on the XBP, Mike? It's having nice pops. The big move was 5 minutes. Fantastic. Yeah. This was the big move here. Right. Time for our XBP. Right. 17. Yeah, I thought about locking it up, but XBP doesn't show signs of slowing down right now. So, hey, Stephen. I did. SGBX was the big move I caught on Friday, Mike. Multiple big moves on SGBX on Friday. Finished the day 6K up. Nice, beautiful 6K day on Friday. Didn't trade that one on. Too busy trading SGBX. $1.5. The move on Friday up. Again, like I say, that one's up back to Friday. This is the big move that I caught. As this started to make its move up, went green on the day, 550. That's where I got in, and I was able to ride that all the way. Fantastic move. Once I got in here, I was actually looking at taking some profit there, and it just it moved like 50 cents in about 2 seconds. So then, as soon as I broke some profit up here, and broke new lows here, right? Guess what? It wasn't finished. It carried on. As it broke a new high, got in again. It pulled back, and I was able to get that up here. It double topped devil horns, so that's when I got out. Pretty much top ticket there with the exit, and it moved again here. So it's $8. I got back in, and it's a great move for SPX on Friday. After 11 o'clock, I didn't trade it. I went and that's the line. So I was out by this time. Oh, that was a good move, all the way up to $9. Well, at least look, any green's good green, Mike. And unfortunately, you screwed up the SGBX trade. First entry on SG, right? It was red, but I cut it. But the next entry paid me off. And how's the market doing for us today? Well, the market as a whole, let's have a look at SPY. Are back up over 510. Wide, so we're getting some upwards momentum here. We're gapping up slightly today, so 0.38% up on the day. Good sign, and I'm breaking highs as we speak. So it's kind of flat movement at the moment. If you look at it on the 5 minute, VWAP's kind of goes on. It's kind of flat movement, but it's gapping up slightly. Not much in terms of economic catalyst due to drop today on the market, but after an April which pretty much was mostly down, we got a bounce in the week, moving back up again. Again, the market does not know when to die. Of course, I'm watching is is back up over 890 right now. Looking at today, so long may that continue. Have a look at Clarity Therapeutics. So it's not something I would touch dollars, but it's well, let's have a look if there is a catalyst. Well, you guys have already done your due diligence here. Clarity Therapeutics. Why is it moving? Oh, well, Clarity Therapeutics have exceeded NASDAQ's minimum equity requirement. Press voluntary call on. That's an offering. On their offering. So, and that wouldn't surprise me if they still. That's why it's moving up. Top of the hour. Is the microphone choppy still? Let me see if change the mic. same mic on TikTok, and it's not having any.
Okay, so try that one. That should work. Okay, it's a different microphone, so let me know if that's just as bad, and if it is. So on TikTok, you're still using the same mic, but if you're finding that I had an issue on Friday, I never even looked into it, to be fair. I completely forgot that I had the issue on Friday. So let me know if this microphone is now working. Okay, so hilarity moving up, 135. $1.35. What I would watch here, 5-day $1.42. Can it get over the $0.50? $1.50. It had a really good day on Thursday. Went up to 346 on Thursday. Started off about this price actually. It had a low of I mean, it opened up at 123. So let's say not far off this price. And went up all the way to 346 on Friday. So it can have a move. That was Thursday, sorry. It can have a move. All right. Okay. So SGBX hit the market with an offering. So they announced pricing of a 4 million private placement at the market. So they're diluting their flow. So it's entered a purchase agreement with a single institutional investor for purchase and sale of 1.3 million shares, common stock and warrants at a combined offering price of $2.90 per share in private placement. That's why Safe and Green, which was the big mover on Friday, is just popped downwards this morning. There we go. Have a look at XP. Now we're going to get back over 370. That's kind of my my watch price there. It's not a signal or a stock pick. It's just me thinking out loud, given that's the high of the last 5-minute candle. A little high, 374. I see this back up at the highs. Kind of way over gold right now, so I'm happy just to trade a little bit smaller. Huge short interest on this one, XBP. There was a massive squeeze on Thursday, and it looks like the squeeze is happening again today. We're at kind of resistance levels on the daily. So resistance levels around 370, 375. After that, we're up over $4 before we start seeing significant resistance. I'm just kind of looking at it on the daily. Remember, this was a $40 stock back in the end of last year. For a new high. 385. This high of the 384 is the high of day. Looking for 385. Can we get over $4? Can we get $4? $4, 395. $4. Nine. $4. There's the $4. Can we break it? $4 on the bid. We've got $4 on the ask. Can we get $4 on the bid? Cut off. Well, maybe there's time for me yet there, Mike. Hopefully, break of $4 now. Nice one, Alistair. You got goal over goal, yeah? Nice. I got 369 to 397, so kind of preempted that a little bit. Broke 4, but didn't actually break it. Got over 4 on the ask, but not on the bid. So here we go. 410. Hold $4. Get all 410. I kind of feel you wouldn't be so happy if it was 307 there, Alice. I kind of thought that's what you was meaning. Hey Adam, good morning to you, buddy. $405 is the high, and we got a new high. For a new high. A new high of break of 405, takes to 410. 407, 409, 410. Can we get under? There we go. There we go. Take some off. Current high 416. Now we're looking for 420. Four 25. Right now, 425. There's the break even. Back. 424 on the ask. Current high 424. Looking for 425 on the bid. There's 24 on the ask. 24. There we go. There we go. Take a little bit off. High of day 429. So 430 is our next target. A new high of day. Good stuff, Alistair. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. We're over 4K. And I'm kind of looking for potentially a pullback to the 9. Yeah. I don't know about that, Alistair, but it could certainly run for a while. I mean, like I say, it was a $40 stock there 6 months ago. So it does have upside potential. Already 96% up on the day. Does come with leverage. It's over $5. Hey Matt, how you doing, buddy? I'll look for a bounce on the 9. And we get 440. And we get 440. You get 440. 443 is the new high of day. Take half off there. Got half dollar resistance, psychological level. Gonna rise down the $1/2. I'll keep a little bit in. Breaks. Otherwise, look for it to pull back to 9 again. $447 the high of day. No, no, 450. Now we can start scaling back in. We've just cleared the $1/2. It's a break even on that. We'll let it pull back. They're quite extended right now, so nice one, John. Good stuff. Another 50 cents. 50-cent move. That's fantastic. Only we had these every day. Had a dollar move earlier. And 240 to 340, which I got the lion's share of my move. Nice one, Mike. Oh, well, maybe we should lock it down. It looks like everybody's hit the goal already today. Nice seeing you guys. See you all tomorrow. Oh, I lost my dog. Oh, she's outside. I'm looking for a pullback to the 9 and a bounce, a possible bounce. Oh, we'll wait for you, CC. We're coming back for you. We're pulling back now for you, so we'll wait for you. We're coming back to collect you. You can do it, CC. Come on. Looking for the $0.75 level. And we'll get out and break even here. Anything back? for a strong break. I'll get some volume here, so I'm looking for a strong break of the $0.75, so we'll start adding back, scaling back in, or we get out at break even. That was a bit crap. It took an extra cent off me after I closed the position. I don't know. You'll never find me resisting 69, Yasmin. Make of that what you will. So 43 is where the 9 is. Thinking that it's a bit tired now. It might look for, I'm looking at the 5 minute, might look for a bit of a red candle on the 5 minute. We've had 4 in a row, so it's extended up there right now. BENF is beneficent, is now testing 850. That's the ATR there, Mike. That's where I've got my ATR mapped. I don't like having the ATR on the main one, so that trend line on the volume is ATR. Average true volume. Let that pull back. Come back to that in a second. We're about to test the VWAP on BENF. VWAP is currently 861. Nice one, CC. A 50-cent move is nice, but if you can get really $8, even better. And it's on the ATR here. Volume isn't as good as XBP, but we're over the VWAP now. Looking for a move up, test 880 maybe. $79 on the ask. 79, we're looking for 8. There's 880 on the bid. $9 now. It's so low, I will put it, yeah. Back in for a retest. Doesn't break low, I will get out. 830. The low of this is 832. So 830, I'm going. 20 cents. Another 5, risking $500. over. Good one, John. Love to see it. Big retracement. And continuing. Wow, what's going on here? $308 high of day. Pull back there. That's the wrong one. That's the 5 instead of the 2.5. But it's okay. Still believe it. Some wiggle room to add on the dip. What's the acquisition price, John? Good hammer candle. Hammer. I had a hammer. Okay. Want to buy the dip here, but selling. Get back over the $0.50. I don't mind buying it. Looks bullish. Right now, it doesn't. It's like a pop and drop. Expect that. back over a VWAP. Well, 9. Held that way too long looking for a dip buy. The VWAP's pretty much at my buy price. Over $0.50, come on. No, you want to do it. Smash that like button, guys. Smash the like button. Time was it? 8:42. Right. It is too big because I can feel my nerves on it. It's way too big. Bad entry from the off. Waited for the rebreak of 3 and tried to get ahead of the curve. Tried to be smart. 222 on bid and ask. What's going on then? Bid and the ask are the same. Right, let's back up. Oh. Get out. Oh, we started off so well. That's just typical of me. I'll take about another 6,000 shares if I need it. Not that I'm going to. That would be just ridiculous. Idea. XBP support at 425, you mean? That's the problem. Is very often you start very well, you get cocky, you get overconfident, and then the market humbles you very, very quick. We'll wait for the next move, I guess. Don't think too much of it there, Super Chip. I think Apple's at the end of a cycle there, so they're not offering much value anymore. They're not as innovative as they once were. So I think Apple, the parabolic growth of Apple as a company, I think that's that. Unless there's some new technology that they're going to get innovative on, I think they're pretty much done. I mean, still think they're it's a good company to invest in, but I just don't think that the parabolic growth that it's had over the last 30 years is 25 years or whatever is going to be repeated. Well, I'm pretty much all in on Nvidia. This looks like a potential double top M pattern on the 5-minute. Right now, top momentum, top to the upside, and our XP, which that's not right. It's Robin the Hood. Got earnings this week as well of Robin Hood. That was a bit of a jump there from 60 down to $2 dump. Why? Robin Hood says it's disappointed the SEC decided to issue a wealth notice. Firmly believe assets listed are not securities. Ooh, interesting. That could be interesting. volume on it. Saw it curling, but I couldn't see the volume on my watch list chart, so I had to take a look. There's no volume on it. Okay, well, guess I will try on whatever else. We've got 7 minutes before the top of the hour. Been up and we've been down. We've been over goal and now we're down. So yeah, Robin Hood's been famous for this naked short selling stuff with the whole AMC and GameStop big time. And very dodgy the way that they played out a couple of years ago. They didn't have enough equity, so they didn't stop people trading. They didn't suspend trading on a particular stock. They just took away the buy button. You could still sell it, but you couldn't buy it, which is like paramount to market manipulation. And that was all. I think you've all watched the movie as well, so. No, mate. Not that I'm aware of, at least. Wondering why I've taken an opening position there. This is the first candle to make a new high on the 2-minute time frame since that last spike up to whatever this was, 460, 464. So we're gonna see if we're curling back or not. Also, line there just because. Well, DENF looks interesting if it gets back over the VWAP. That's $9. Five-minute high that I'm looking for, 450, for the $0.50. A bit of both, Brandon. Because it's a continuation on the news, but it's extremely shorted. There's a big short interest on it, so there's a short squeeze going on. But it squealed quite big on Thursday, and it was a kind of a little bit of a rest day on Friday, and it's squeezing big today. So there's a lot of short interest on it. But when it's up like this and the short interest, the shorts are going to have to cover at some point or risk getting margin called. According to Benzinga, this is short interest on it. Short interest. Oh, maybe not. Maybe they've covered. So last Thursday, Jasmine, XBP was awarded a 40 million multi-year contract in the UK, which is why with the passport office in the UK, which is why it moved so big on Thursday. So this is a continuation from that I can see. I dare say quite a few people holding bags from that will be happy. Yeah, absolutely, John. There's been a lot moving after 10 lately. I swear I've made most of my money this last couple of weeks. 6K after 10 o'clock on Friday. CBP News, Jasmine, they announced a non-binding letter of intent to acquire a company that's involved in cancer treatments. Looking for that break of the $0.50. Well, if the company's buying another company, then that's usually a bullish sign, yeah. Particularly if it's an innovative company that they're buying, which this appears to be. There's a number of reasons why companies acquire other companies, but it's usually a good reason. It's usually good news when they do it. Otherwise, why would they do it? They're either buying up the competition, which means that they end up with a larger share of the market, or they're buying a company that's innovative, which gives them patents and other innovations that they wouldn't normally have. Okay, it could be a pop and drop. It's a non-binding letter of agreement, so it doesn't mean that they're actually going to buy them, because it's non-binding letter of intent. I lost almost $1 on it. Yeah, 5,000 shares. 80 cents. I held on to it way too long. Exactly. You buy acquiring customers, goodwill, whatever. It's down at the minute. On that, right on that ascending support. So if it breaks this ascending support, I'll get it. Yeah, smash that like button, guys. One more cent and I'll get it. From Global Enterprises. Trying to get it back up towards the VWAP. If it's back up at 220, I might be interested. Back over $2. Not interested in under $2. That was 220, I think maybe. Palantir up slightly as well. I'll just wait for the next big move, I think. I think GameStop went like a $5 move on Friday, Adam. Looking at over $12 to over $17. So Stone Cold, it's just pure greed. Like I was saying earlier, is when your first trade is so good, you get overconfident, and then the market comes and humbles you. So you've got to take it with a pinch of salt, really. It's if you let it get to you, it can be a real pain in the hole. It can affect you mentally if you let it get to you. Just don't let it get to yourself. Know full well that you had a 5K trade earlier. Shy of. You can get another one. Here we go. Mistimed it. Interesting. The high. Test the high. Looking for 4.7. Absolutely stone cold. Absolutely. Only takes one stop. We saw that on Friday. Probably should have bought that. Nine bounce. Hindsight's a wonderful thing. Can't use it for trading. There's the reminder from broker. 20 minutes till the market opens. Back within this narrowing triangle. Broke out of both sides. And then retrace back in. Don't have any more equity to add to this. Well, a little bit, but not enough. Started today with 37k equity. For a new high. And a flat topping up there right now. This is up towards 470. Bit choppy here. Buyers and sellers having a bit of a ding dong here. I don't mind 440. If I'm holding it as long as it's within this breaks out at downside of this narrowing triangle here, this pennant, and I will get out of it. But currently just over 440. Effectively, give it about 25 cents, I think. Shouldn't have said that. The market makers are listening to me. Well, it pulled back. 440. Let's see if you're right, Bobby. Up down there at 390, way above the VWAP. It's quite extended when I'm looking at it from a VWAP perspective. Well, what have we got? 15 minutes, 14 minutes before the market opens. Under 15 minutes before the market opens. I'd like this to break out before the market opens or break down. Don't want to be holding this at the bell. I totally agree with you, Bobby. Bit of bullish volume. Not been getting that. Don't mind my entry and my ad with the increased volume. I'm seeing a lot of green on it. Oh, it's red on it now. Over 3,000 order there. Okay. Break out to the upside again. Over. I missed it. When we get over it, new high of day. That's what we're looking for. No. A lot of sellers up there. High of day. I don't like that link at all. That hurt. Oh, wild ride, absolutely. No, still got time. That hurt. Over 475 here, it's a motor, over $5. Not too long ago, it was up at $7 in the last month. Garbage company, it really is a terrible company, Mullen Autos. Terrible. Oh, that was terrible timing, Tony. Okay. It's okay. We can get more back. It's finding support there, kind of the $0.25. Mangoes falling on the fuel roof. Get the life out of me. How are you guys doing this morning? It's been a while. It's been a Friday night game for me. Up, down, up, down. Let you in a minute, Miyako. Calm down. Yeah. Kind of disappointed in myself, actually. Locked it up after I traded XBP first thing. I should have locked it up at like 4.5k up. Kind of kicking myself a little bit there. Also, should never have waited for that dip trade on TCBP. I thought it was going to bounce and it just kept selling, and I was waiting for the signs of the bounce. It never came. I ended up buying a dip trade and it kept on selling. So TCBP was just badly traded. XBP I just gave back. I'll let you in a minute, Miyako. Be quiet. Well, there's plenty of time getting him. I've now got to cover what I've lost. Stop loss to open the door for him. Got 6 minutes and change. Who the hell's a farmer? Nelson? Good luck with that, Adam. Looking strong today, actually. Who the hell is farmer, yeah? Arr, get off my land! Leave my trapper alone! I don't like that at all, Nelson. You're a two-timing cheat. Off my trapper. Get off my land. Yeah, I couldn't do that with my broker. I'd get absolutely annihilated with the commissions. Basically, who's already taken 4 trades before the bell rings. 5 minutes. We don't have any like European traders, Asian traders. We don't have many free commission brokers, unfortunately. Might hold this to the VWAP now that we're getting close to the open. If I'm not going to hold it into the open. When have I ever bailed? I'd like to bail out of this trade, I know that much. Waiting for the break over the $250 again there. Alright. Will we get a curl back up on this? Probably not. All right, we've got 2.5 minutes left. I'm kind of watching XBP. An eye on Mullen if he gets back over 470. The that could be interesting. Over $8. Get some good volume. Hold off hard for a reversal. See? Uh, that's my watch list started out. Got 30 seconds, guys. About 15 seconds and counting, so good luck. I hope the market gives us all what we're all hoping for. Multiple parabolic movers, volatility and volume. Get over the $0.50 and the VWAP will be interesting. Or not. Yes, maybe. Let's see what the market gives us. Good luck, guys. Like the look of that pre-market. What's the spreads? Hi, Chris Farmer. Hold up. Up there. Looking the high of day. Here's mine. Break of $9 here. High of day, well, session high, not necessarily high of day. Pre-market high was I think it's 990. How's about that for slippage? 50 cents. I had my stop there at the VWAP. Ah, that is absolute crap. That is terrible. What's the point of stop if it's not going to execute? That's just absolutely shocking. Shocking execution. Terrible fill that was. Absolutely terrible. At least he got me out before the halt bar. Still. Lost 50 cents. 2.5K that. Ridiculous. Well, I'm going to take a moment. I'm going to take a breather because that's really wound me up. So I'll go. If I start trading right now straight away, I'll end up going on tilt. It's going to gap down as beneficial. The last thing I want to be doing now is going on tilt. A really good day on Friday, and I'm just now basically back at everything that I made on Friday and some. Cass, don't be starting me on full tilt, Tony. Right, back to basics. That's what I need. Wait for a new high of day here if we get one. Currently 28. Yeah, that was awful. Every trade and afresh, John. Every entry, every trade started afresh. Don't let it get into your psyche. Then if it then moves, you end up kicking yourself for not trading it and letting it. You don't get married to stock, but you don't let it scare you off either. The top momentum stock to the upside, so I've got to get a look. See, hang holdings, more volume, Chinese stock. Testing the VWAP and $4. The S&P 500 breaking highs. Beneficient is still holding. Oh yes, it's 934, so it's still looking at 750 resumption, so big gap down. Breaking new laws, I'm not having it. Right. In my last trade, if it's not green, I'm not playing. The red one, getting it. I'll wait for this. Break the $0.25. Right, farmer. That's very interesting. Thought it was going to fill me over $3 then. Reds are not great unless about 10 cents. 5 to 10 cents. Same as the ATR, so it's not an ideal setup. Fast approaching that pre-market high, 306. Nvidia's over 900, so yeah, absolutely, Mike. A little bit smaller here. Ready to grab or dump? Right. Alter to the upside is now really annoyed with XP. Almost back. It's back up at the levels I bought it at. What did I buy TCP at that back in first instance? Yeah, so I bought it at 290, added at 225. I held and into the open and having bids in. Okay, so it's not my day today. Right now. Back to basic. Start putting green on the board. Too much red, and it's all big red as well. Next to BNF, it's still halted. There you go, there's the resumption. Fill the gap. High day. Session high rather. W formation. One. I'm kind of watching Nouveau up at $3, trying to hold $3. Also watching Mullen here, session high. Watching TCP for resumption. Okay, I'm not in a trade yet, boy. Boom. So really knocking on the door that way, knocking on the door that way. Didn't even get 50 likes, and you know, so I can't even give you a treat because I'm 8 likes short. So if you've not hit the like button, smash it now. Oh, that was a terrible fill. That was so slow. What's going on? Normally I have like lightning execution on Dash Trader. Crap today. Maybe it's my connection. Like that. Oh. Ah, told me at the wrong place as well. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep those gamers rolling, GME. And if this doesn't turn around, having an absolute nightmare today. But with these 10-cent, 20-cent spreads, and back to like 3-4 cent spreads. There you go. Now move up. Take the bid with you. And take the bid with you. Not listening to me at all, this stock. Back to the highs and take the bid with you. I should get stopped out on this because it's 20 cent ATO. I've got a 10 cent trailing stop and the spreads are 10 cents. There you go, double top. Just a bit of green that we've managed to lock in. It's the open. So there's the start. Get over this pre-market high. It's bullish. Here we go. $96 is the halt level, so let's be careful, guys. Oh, 410 now, halt level. Or 29 for halt level. I was thinking about adding to it up there, but no, I'll leave the stop in place. Leave the stop in place there. That's halted to the upside. And no worries, John. You can't catch them all. You'll get the next one. PCBP, too much. Mullen is now breaking highs up there. Ready to test it. Ready to test the, well, just broke the pre-market high. Mullen looking nice. If it gets over $5, I'll be very interested. Matter if this gets over $5, it doesn't change any leverage capabilities on it. Do you know what? It may well be CC. I've not removed sticky quotes. Cheers, thanks. 352. Better bloody well not be 352 resumption. That's a huge gap down. Yeah, we'll see. 453. We've got 3 minutes before that back. We'll see. If that gap's down that far, I'm actually doubling up. I'm going to buy the dip. That's a gap down. You're at 412. Ouch. I'm in at 373, but my average is 373. I'd have took some off. $4. That's the case. Not an easy trading day today, guys. There. Could lose 20 cents here. Looks like I'm going to lose 20 cents. I've got to stop in there, Jack. Yeah. Terrible slippage, Jack. I've got to stop. Question is, does the slippage hit me again? Obviously, if it resumes at 353, 360s now, so it's coming back up. Hopefully, it goes all the way back up, finishes and gaps up. But 361. 368, 370, back down to 353, 370 on the imbalance. So it's probably going to be a 10-minute halt by the looks of it. It's a lot of volatility on the still. We've got a minute to go for 5 minutes, and a lot of volatility still on the imbalance. So I think this might be a longer halt. We'll see. Yeah, it's flapping about all over the place. Got a minute before it resumes. 399 now, so that could be okay for me, I suppose. Not the $3,000 that was hoping for, but any kind of gap down, I'll not be happy with. But as long as it doesn't take away my gains. So we should get a resumption in about 10 seconds if it's a 5-minute halt. Oh. All right, I got a profit out of it. Didn't hurt me too much. Somewhere, but basically, I lost what I got what and then lost. Buy this back a little bit. Just $5. Choppy as hell, this one. 5, 4, 6. 40. Get all the $5. Question. Pull back. Got devil horns on the 5. 5, 4. Bounce. Risking everything I made on it. I got a bit of slippage, so I'm down 300 on that. Good. Up about 3 or 4 grand. Jimmy always takes costs with it. Yeah. $2 sits open. Not bad. Five-minute double bottom, then pre-market. That was good. Halted from Global Entertainment. I need turnaround of all turnarounds now. I'm going to finish today green, but I don't think I am. So yeah, so at 4 green days in a row, and 11k up on 11.5k up on May. So pretty much giving back May's gains so far. Nuvo's behaving like a right wine. Over $5, I'm going all in. Bounce on 9. Get it all the way back up to 5. No, but we'll see. Nice dip buy on the 9. Sterling stock got executed, so I didn't get much slippage, which is good. I looked for a dip on. I looked for a bounce on the whole dollar. It didn't happen. So now we'll look for next move up. Mullen about to break highs. Watching Mullen over $5. I like Mullen over $5. I'll stick around for another 5 minutes. Another 10 more like that. About 8 more like that. RX and Mullen all looking nice at the moment. Bounce. High. F20 current high of day. $5.30. I was at 5.50. Four breaking highs. Could have stuck with it, really. Tiny object syndrome. Now 560s. Move up. Right, we're looking at 5.30. 5.25. High of day. $6 on Nouveau now. This should have stuck with that one. But it was tried. I'd want to try it. That moved from 6 to 7 on Nova as well. Nuvo, sorry, Nova. Oh. Trailing stop here. I just want to flip across. Look at that, $5 to $7. Completely missed it by. Can't catch them all. Not Pokemon. Yeah, I know. I got FOMO myself on the back of it. At least I've got leverage with Mullen. I don't have any leverage with Nuvo, unfortunately. Pulled all the way back below $6. Getting terrible fills today. Oh no, that's fine. I was getting something right. Looking for an entry on XVP. Oh, that's done. That's well and truly done. $4. Get back up to $4. Yeah, it may be, but no, that's done. Again, power up. Absolutely, CC. Thinking the same thing myself. Looking for a bounce on the whole dollar there. Break 7. All profit's good profit, I guess. Well, considering I was 10k down, I've recovered 2.5k. Could be the day for it. $0.10 spreads are a bit much, but $6.99 is the high of day. Watching for the break of 7. Big moves on this. Range is the 1 minute ATR is like 60, nearly 70 cents. So just size accordingly. Don't do what I do. Do as I say. Size red small on this one because the risk with the range on it very whippy. Fill those up whips. That's the break 7 for me. No, absolutely, Alistair. That's why I switched over to Mullen, because at least there's leverage on that. I don't think this is going to get over $7. It's struggling. Mullen's up at 550. Straight two. That's 550. Mullen's got to be a bit of a grinder now, I think. Except medical, the one without leverage. So, there we go. Over that $0.25. $45. $1. And Nuvo went up to, oh wow, 780. Struggling to break 7 and went up to 780. Popped up there. Got a whole $5. Doesn't amount. Not about a false break. I mean, that was a huge move up. What was that candle? Open 660 to 7. That's $1.20. The low is like $1.30. So I wouldn't say it was a false break. It's just that it was a quick break and then retracement. Oh, I'm looking for take 7 and move back up and test 8. one to trade is this. Hold $7. Okay, 65 cents. On the 1 minute. Go. Take the bid with you. All the way, $8. Come on. Do it. Not easy to trade this one, guys. See you, mate. At over $8. New high day, $8. That's what we're looking for. 8.64 is the whole level. That would be nice. Sterling stock got stopped, but didn't give me much. Gave me a little bit. Oh well, I think I'm going to end the stream. I'm going to carry on trading this, and then if you're in the Discord, I'll stick at it. But if you're not in the Discord, I will see you tomorrow. Take it easy, guys. We got up to $8 so far, so and we'll carry on trading. Take it easy, guys.